Today we will tell you what is a shelf, how it is used, and what is steel shelving. Did you ever think of metal shelves? Now they are more popular than wooden shelves because of its durability and strength. And of course the rich look. You will find 22 metal shelves ideas in this video. Hope you will find this interesting. Metal shelving is storage space with compartments and partitions where tools, equipment, books and files are packed in, or where some chemicals in laboratories are packed in. Metal shelving is an invention that offers storage solutions for a diversity of industries. What is a shelf used for? A shelf-placed shelf is a flat, horizontal plane used for items that are displayed or stored in a home, business, store, or elsewhere. It is raised off the floor and often anchored to a wall, supported on its shorter length sides by brackets, or otherwise anchored to cabinetry by brackets, dowels, screws, or nails. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos and press the bell icon for more videos. Inshallah, a video will be made for you and on welding's technique every soon.